hot damn. Jeez. Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, I just got off the plane about an hour ago. Just got back from Phoenix, handling some family business. You know, that really kind of hurts my heart a little bit. It's something that's kind of important. I'm a little stuffy. I don't know what it is. Alright, I'm not making assumptions. Okay, it's probably just common freaking cold. Anyway, so I get back, I land. I get home, I had my phone on airplane mode or whatever the whole time. Take it off airplane mode, I get this badass message. All right, I know I apologize. I keep giving y'all teasers, but I'm getting as much, you know, you're getting as much as I'm getting. So, but it's kind of fun anyway. You got to hear this, all right? This thing is, we're that much closer. Byrne Automotive and Performance, water heater be kicking on and getting it. Byrne Automotive and Performance has been putting in a lot of work on my truck, man, and I really appreciate those guys. Check it out.